Hi, I'm Natasha Hemmerling, a partner here at Clark Hemmerling Lawyers. Are you renovating or building a home? If you are, you're probably wondering if you should get your domestic building contract reviewed or not. A home building project can be the chance for you to make your dreams come true, whether your family has grown or it's time to invest your hard-earned funds in a renovated kitchen, an extension, or perhaps a brand new home. Doing any of these things is quite often one of the largest investments you'll make once you've purchased your land or home. Without a proper review or understanding the risks associated with signing your domestic building contract with your builder, the excitement and optimism of any project can all too easily turn into a very costly nightmare. Disputes between clients and builders are routine and can arise for many reasons. If they're allowed to escalate, these disputes can see delays in getting the project completed, time and money being lost on trying to find solutions or getting lawyers involved, leaving you right in the thick of things feeling like there is just no solution in sight. We've been involved in many disputes and have seen firsthand the extreme distress and financial hardship that they cause for families. So given it's one of your largest investments financially, why would you take the chance on whether your contract covers matters that protect you in the event that things take a turn for the worst? A review of the domestic building contract can identify and solve issues in the contract which may in turn save you thousands of dollars and unnecessary stress in the future. In my experience, many disputes between homeowners and builders may well have been avoided had the contract been reviewed and advice obtained before it was signed. There are many standard domestic building contracts that are used by builders in South Australia, and these are predominantly produced by building industry bodies such as Master Builders Association of SA or the Housing Industry Association. These types of contracts are generally more favourable to the builder, and in some instances they have been amended by the builders in a way that is unfavourable to a homeowner. So what are some key aspects of a domestic building contract that you should consider? Is the builder registered? What process for making a variation to the plans or specifications exist in the contract? What are the progress payments that you're required to pay, and if so, when? Are you able to visit the site? Is permission needed to do so? Are there any additional fees that you'll be required to pay under the contract? A common one is extra fees for site preparation work for unexpected issues such as hitting rock. What damages are you or the builder entitled to and when? What's the commencement date, the completion date, and what delays are allowed under the contract to extend the completion date? What happens if there's a delay in materials, which has been a very large issue in South Australia in more recent times, and how does that affect your completion date? Are there any prime cost or provisional items in the contract that might see you having to pay more than you thought? These are just a few of the things that you need to consider to understand before you sign your domestic building work contract, and why it's important to get legal advice early and before you sign. It's very difficult to terminate or alter a building contract once it's signed, and therefore it's crucial that you understand the terms of the contract and negotiate any amendments that you want before you sign it so that the contract is fair to all parties involved. At Clark Hemmerling Lawyers, we do have lawyers that specialise in building and construction law and that can assist you with advice on your domestic building contract that you may require and assist you in any negotiations.